Lastly, I'd like to show you a video clip from Steve Jobs, and I saw this video first in 2011 and it had a huge impact on my life. I really don't mean that in a cheesy way. I'm being very serious when I say this has changed my life. And so without further ado, let's roll the clip.
When you grow up, you tend to get told that the world is the way it is, and your life is just to live your life inside the world, try not to bash into the walls too much, try to have a nice family life, have fun, save a little money. That's a very limited life. Life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact, and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it. You can influence it. You can build your own things that other people can use. Once you learn that, you'll never be the same again.
That is such a powerful video. I mean, my favorite part is when he says, everything around you that you call life was made up by people who are no smarter than you. That, when I first heard that, that just really clicked with me, and it was like, wow, I'm sitting in a chair that was made by somebody on some carpet that somebody else made and installed. I'm watching on a computer that somebody else made, and it just, you kind of, when you look around yourself, like take a second and look outside of the screen, and really everything around you was made by somebody. Some company somewhere is making that, and it's people that are making these things. And you just kind of realize that you have a real chance to have an impact in the world. And that can be a small impact, it can be a large impact, but it's really exciting when you realize you have the power to make changes and really become a change in someone else's life. So, just such a powerful quote. I have the link to watch it as much as you want on YouTube. Just look in the course or in this lecture description, it will be there. And with that, we're going to go ahead and start on making our first app. So let's get rolling and let's go make something.